I have something to show you. No, I'm not going to be painting, but I am going to be finding out what is in this paint can. So, if you want to know what's in here, go check out the video. Hey babies, welcome to my channel. It's another epic video with Kimberly. So I hope you're sitting tight. I hope you're having a, relaxing day. And yeah, in this video, I'm actually going to be unboxing this can of paint. Well, I think it's more like face paint. It came from Rimmel, London. They sent it to me and I mentioned on my Instagram stories that I was going to do an unboxing on my YouTube. It was such a cute concept to put the stuff in a paint can. I'm going to be unboxing it and trying the stuff that's in there. So it's going to be a first impression video too. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Kimberly. Thank you for watching. And you might as well go ahead and subscribe right away because this is the cool channel and I do videos on beauty, fashion, and a little bit of fitness. It's never boring here. Boredom is not allowed. Yeah, so just snoop around my channel and see there's something for everyone. Let's get to the unboxing right now. The can of paint came with this really cool swatch sample thingy, and it tells you all the swatches. So I assume there's concealer in there because these are the concealer colors, and then there's foundation in there, which is good because I'm not wearing anything on my skin purposely because I'm going to be testing the stuff. But yeah, how cool is that? Look at all these different shades. Another cool thing the can came with is this little can opener. I was so sold when I was like, what is this? And then it got to me. It's a can opener. How cute is that? You know, it matches my nails too and everything. I'm going to open it right now with the can opener. Let's see. Whoa! Wow. Okay, that worked well. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's all purple. It matches my nails. I didn't do that on purpose. Came with a cute little blender sponge. I'm going to be using that one for sure because we want to test that out too. Okay. Oh, big favorite of mine. This is the mattifying makeup primer. I've used this before, but it's always good to have another one. And this is fabulous. I used this one when I was on vacation in the Caribbean because my skin was like a big old oil slick. And this was so easy to use in the morning. You just put it on and your skin was like flawless. So as a matter of fact, I'm going to put some on right now because I'm going to be using the stuff anyways. I'm kind of biased on this though because I already used it before. I'm just going to pop it on there. There. All good. Yay. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, we got 4 shades of the matte full coverage foundation, which is great because I need a new full coverage foundation. The one I have states that it's full coverage. I'm not going to name the brand, but it doesn't really cover that well. So these are the shades that came in there. There's 4 shades. I don't know if you guys can see, but let me just swatch them really quickly on my arm so we can see the difference. I'll just swatch them really fast. This is the lightest shade right here. And then it goes darker, darker, darkest. And I think the shade that would be good for me would be this one, which is called, let me see here. I think it's Noisette. Noisette. So I'm going to be using this one today. And yeah, this just gives you an idea of the shades. It feels really creamy, not dry at all. So far it's good. Let me just clean off my hand. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, so we have the concealers. There's 20 concealers in here. I'm not going to swatch them all. I'm just going to do the lightest here. This is the lightest shade. Then there's the medium in between the shade and the darkest shade. Just to give you an idea, there's like a whole bunch of colors in between these shades. And I think I found my shade. It's called Amber. Let me see here. That would be this color. I'm not sure if that is my color. I'm gonna go for this shade right here that I swatched just now. And I'm gonna try it and we'll see how it goes. There's also the powder in here. That's the lightest shade. Then a little bit darker. Then this one. And then the darker shade. So I think I'm going to be using this shade. It's called Deep Beige. And I think it'll match me. I'm not sure, but from the 4 colors, I think this is the closest to my skin. So I'm just going to be using that one. It also came with the Stay Matte Fix and Go spray for after you're done with your makeup. You can just spray it for a nice, refreshing, I'm ready for the day kind of look. Now, let's get to trying the stuff. Yeah, I'm going to be starting by trying the Stay Matte Full Coverage Mattifying Foundation. Oh, it is very creamy. I hope this is the right shade for me. And if it is full coverage, we will be able to tell immediately, pretty much, because it should be covering my freckles. And if it doesn't, then we might have to add a second layer. It is a little thick. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It feels really light. It feels like I'm not wearing that much, so that's good. Yeah, so let's move on with the concealer. And this is the Stay Matte Concealer in the shade Amber. Oh, I hope this is not too yellow. I normally like to use a light concealer underneath my eyes. But I think this one might have been a little too yellowish, but it's okay. I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte powder in Sandstorm for underneath my eyes. I'm going to apply the deep beige color all over my face. And I normally use a brush for this, even though it is a compact powder and not a loose powder. Okay. That was it. Let me take a look. I do think it looks a little light. Maybe it ended up a little bit too light. Maybe it's just what I'm seeing. But overall, my skin is super matte. I don't see any bling glow, nothing. No annoying T-zone issues. I'd say this is actually working really, really well. The foundation alone already gives this matte finish to the point where you don't even need that much powder, which I really like because I don't like caking it on. And I'd say this does a nice job at keeping my skin matte. And yeah, I'd absolutely use this again. So yay! So great job, Rimmel. So next time you're in the drugstore, check them out and see if there's something that you like, because I think it looks pretty good. Well, that was it for my quick review of the Rimmel Stay Matte collection that I received. I hope you guys like this unboxing, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys again next Friday.